So the government's proposed amendments to the Insurance Act may be taken up during the monsoon session of Parliament. Sources have told us that the government is looking at reducing the initial capital requirement and also allowing existing insurers to enter any business subsegment, among other things. Yash joins us now with more details. Yash, what are the key amendments that are being proposed?
Well, Shireen, the most awaited amendments, so to say, as far as the Insurance Act is concerned, these amendments likely to have hit the final lap when it comes to the approval. What we've been given to understand from our sources is that the monsoon session of the Parliament could see the government actually presenting these amendments to the Insurance Act. As far as these amendments are concerned, of course, it's a long list, but the five most important amendments which the Department of Finance has proposed include composite insurance license through which life, general, standalone health insurance companies could enter each other's businesses, distribution of other financial products like mutual funds, bank deposits, credit cards. Third one, lowering of minimum capital when it comes to starting insurance business, captive insurance licenses, as well as investment regulations. What we've been given to understand from our sources is that there is a consensus on the three of these five most important amendments, that is on composite insurance license, captive insurance licenses, also on lowering of minimum initial capital. Now, there are two things where some tweaks could be brought about by the government. The first one here is as far as investment regulations are concerned. As of the current regulations, insurance companies can have to invest 50% in government securities, both center and state put together, and 15% in equity. What we've been given to understand is that there could be a little tweak here where the power to reduce or increase the equity investments could go to the insurance regulator. But if the insurance regulator wants to change the limits, then it will have to do in consultation with the government, and also it won't be on a case-to-case basis. It will be for the entire industry. Also, as far as captive insurance licenses are concerned, what we've been given to understand is that the power to issue these licenses would rest with the regulator, but the solvency, the minimum solvency that conglomerates who wish to get this license will have to maintain, will have to be decided on a case-to-case basis between the regulator and the government. Most important thing, the other three amendments are expected to come as they were proposed in the consultation paper in the monsoon session of the Parliament.
All right, Yash, many thanks for joining us. The other